Hello everyone, today you are going to learn the first lesson in Unit 3, Measurement. And the first lesson is called Capacity. What's the meaning of capacity? Capacity of any container like bottle, glass of tea, tank of water, anything like container. The capacity of any container means the amount that the container can hold. If I have a bottle of water and I need to get the amount of water inside this bottle, I will take the capacity of this bottle. This is the meaning of the capacity. If I have a glass of tea, the amount of tea inside this glass is called the capacity of the tea. Okay? And we use liter and milliliter as the units to measure capacity. As we know, liter and milliliter. Like in the liter, like a meter and centimeter, a length and kilogram, gram in weights, like this. In this case, we will use liter and milliliter in the capacity. Okay? Liter and milliliter, as we learn, there is a small units and weights or big units. If I have a syringe, medicine and syringe, we will use the small units like milliliter. If I have a spoon, if I need to take a spoon of liquid of medicine after having my breakfast, my dinner, anything, we will use the units of milliliter. If I need to get a glass of tea, glass of coffee, we will use milliliter, small units. If I get a can, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, if I will need gas, we will use milliliter. But in the big thing like tank of water, bottle of juice, tea kettle, we will use liter, the greatest unit. We only have two units in the capacity, which is liter and milliliter. Okay? What's the meaning of liter? If I have a cube like this cube, the capacity of this cube is the container, is the amount of anything inside this cube. Okay? The capacity of anything, contain anything, is the amount of the water, juice, of anything inside this shape. If I have this cube with side length equal 1 decimeter and width 1 decimeter and height 1 decimeter. dm means decimeter. In this case, 1 liter mean 1 decimeter cube or 1 cubic decimeter. This is the meaning of liter. All water, juice, anything, amount, mean capacity. Inside this cube, the capacity of this cube will be used 1 liter, which is 1 decimeter cube or 1 cubic decimeter. And I learned before that 1 decimeter has 10 centimeter. 1 decimeter has 10 centimeter. So if I need to convert these units, it will be 1 liter will be 1000 centimeter. 1000 centimeter. Like this, 10 times 10 times 10. It will be 1000. If we need to convert from the smallest to the greatest, remember we divide, but from the greatest to the smallest we multiply. We use the times. So 10 times 10 times 10 will be 1000, and centimeter times centimeter times centimeter will be cubic or centimeter cube. Okay? So 1 liter equal 1000 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. And if I have another cube like this with length 1 centimeter and width 1 centimeter and height 1 centimeter. If I need to get the capacity of this cube, according to this length, width, height, according to the 3 dimensions, it will be 1 milliliter, not liter, is the smallest. In the first one, we use the greatest letter, liter. And liter will be equal to 1 decimeter cube. But in this small cube, we will use milliliter. According to milliliter, we will use 1 centimeter cube. Okay? So 1 millimeter, every 1 millimeter holds 1 centimeter cube. So the 1 liter has 1000 milliliter. 1 liter has 1000 milliliters, and this is the units of anything in capacity. If I need to convert, as we learn, from the smallest to the greatest and the converse, if I need to convert from liter to milliliter, we multiply. Liter is greater than milliliter. We will multiply by 1000. But if I need to convert from milliliter to liter, we need to divide by the same number, 1000. Okay? And as we said, that liter mean 1 decimeter cube, and also milliliter equal 1 centimeter cube. So we have liter and milliliter, only 2 units in the capacity. In these examples, the first one, 3 liters has space milliliter. First, as we learned the first term, if we need to convert, we need to get the check first. Check which is the greatest, which is the smallest. The greatest here is the liters, and the smallest milliliter. We need to get from the smallest or from the greatest. From the greatest. First, we will do multiply, not divide. And we know that liters has 1 liter has 1000 milliliters, so we will multiply by 1000. 3 times 1000 will be 3000. It's very easy. Next one, 4.5 liters have space milliliter. First, check which is the greatest, which is the smallest. I need to go from the smallest or from the greatest. From the greatest, we will multiply. Multiply by what? By 1000. The same thing. Multiply or divide. We will multiply or divide by 1000. So 4.5 times 1000. Remember, multiplying decimal by tens, thousand, hundred. We will multiply. We will move the decimal point to the right side. As there is 0 in the 1000, I have 3 zeros, so I need to multiply to get the decimal point after 3 digits. Again, when we multiply any decimal number by 10, 100,000, we remove the decimal point to the right side, as there is 0 after 1. If I have 1 0, we will move only 1 decimal, only digits. If I have 2 0, we will move 2 digits. I have 3 digits here, we will move after 3 digits. 4 will be 4, 5 will be 5. Decimal point was here before 5. We need to put decimal point after 3 digits. I have only 1 digit, which is 5. So I have remain there 2 digits. We will put 0 and 0. It will be 4500. I have only 1 digit after the decimal point, which is 5, but I need to move the decimal point after 3 digits. So we put 2 zeros to make these 3 digits. Okay, if you put the decimal point like this, it's not important because there is no number in the decimal part. There is no number in the decimal part, so we cancel the decimal point. It will be 4500 milliliters. Next one, 7,000 milliliter equals space liter. We check from the smallest to the greatest. Here, we smallest to the greatest, we will divide. Divide by what? Divide by 1,000. 7,000 by 1,000, 0, go with 0, 0 with 0, 0 with 0, 7, divided by 1 will be 7 liter. 7,000 milliliter has 7 liter. 8,750 milliliter has space liter. We will go from the smallest. From the smallest, we will divide. Divide by what? By 1,000. We will get this draft like this. Divide any number by 10, 100,000. Remember, if I need to divide by 10, 100,000, we will put the decimal point to the left side. 0 will go with 0 first. It will be 875 divided by 100. I have 2 0 like this, 1, 2, 0. So I need to put the decimal point after 2 digits from the right side. 1, 2 from right side, not from left side. Remember that. Divide the opposite to the multiply. Multiply, we put the decimal point from the left. But here, I put the decimal point from right side. 1, 2. I have 2, 0. I need to get 2 digits and then put a decimal. We will write the number as there is. 1, 2 digits. We will put the decimal point here. It will be 8.75 hundredths, like this. 8.75 hundredths, like 8.75 hundredths liters. Next one, 20 milliliter has space liter. From the smallest to the greatest, we divide by 1,000. 20 divide by 1,000. First, 0 go with 0. Then I have 1 digit divided by 3 digits. 100 has 2 zeros, so I need to get the decimal point from right side after 2 digits. I will write number 2. After 1 digit, I get 2. So I need to put another digit, which is 0, to get 2 digits before the decimal point, and the whole part will equal to 0. It will be 0.02 or 200ths. 200ths. Again, when we divide any number by 1, by 10 or 100 or 1,000, we will put the decimal point from the right side. After 1 or 2 or 3 digits, as there is 0 after 1, I have here 2 0. I cancel 0 with 0, okay? I have 2 0, it will be 100. I need to get decimal point after 2 digits from the right side. I only have 1 digit, so I need to get the remainder one, which is 0, to make 2 digits before the decimal. And the whole part will equal to 0. It will be 0.02 liters. Next one, 1 milliliter. 1 milliliter has space liter. From the smallest to the greatest, we know that we will divide by 1,000, like this. 1 divide 1,000. Divide from right side, but multiply from left side. Here we need to put the decimal point after 1 or 2 or 3. After 3 digits, we have 3 zeros, 3 digits. 1 0, 1 digit, 2 0. 2 digits. I need to put the decimal point after 3 digits from right side. I will be right number 1. I have only 1 digit, but I need to get 3, so it will remain 2. I will put 2 0. Then we will put that decimal point, and the whole part will equal to 0. It will be 1,000th. 1,000th. 1 milliliter has 1,000th liter. Next one, 6.5 liters has space milliliter. From the smallest here, no, from the greatest to the smallest, we multiply by 1,000. Multiply by 1,000. Move the decimal point to the right side. Move the decimal point to the right side. By dividing by 1,000, we will move the decimal point to the left side. Okay? 6.5 like this times 1,000. We need to put the decimal point after 3 digits to the right side. Okay? I have only 1 digit after the decimal point, which is 5. So I will read the number, write the number like this. I have only 1 digit, so it will remain 2 0. We will write 2 zeros like this and put the decimal point, but it's not important because there is no number in the decimal part. It will be 6,500 milliliters. So 6.5 liters has 6,500 milliliters. And the last one, 7.5 liters have space milliliter. This number is a mixed number, fraction and a whole part. Fraction and a whole part. We can convert this number in this shape. First, if I need to get 1 liter, I have 1,000 milliliter. But if I need to get a half of liter, we will get 500 milliliter. If I need to get 1/4 of liter, we will get 250 milliliter. And the last one, 3/4, we have 3/4 of liter, we have 750 milliliter. So if I need to save this in your mind, 1 equal 1,000, half equal 500, quarter equal 250, 3/4 equal 750. If I look to the first question, 1/2, it will be 500 milliliter, and 7 liter has 7,000 milliliter. Or I will convert this mixed number to be a decimal part, a decimal number. Okay? So 2 times 7, then the result will be adding to 1. 2 times 7 equal to 14 plus 1 equals 15. Convert this fraction into a decimal number. We need to get the denominator equal to 10. We will multiply both of the numerator and the denominator by 5. 5 by 10 by 2 equal to 10. 15 times 5, 5 times 5 equal 25, 5 carry up 2, 5 times 1 equal to 5 plus 2 equal to 7, 12p 75 over 10. Convert this fraction into a decimal. 1 0, take one number after the decimal point, which is here 7.5. I'm not solve this question. I just convert the mixed number to a decimal number. It will be 7.5, not 7.5. Okay? So 7.5 liters have space milliliter. I will convert from the greatest to the smallest. I will multiply, yes, multiply by 1,000. 7.5 times 1,000. I need to put the decimal point after 3 digits to the right side. Move the decimal point to the right side after 3 digits. We will put the number and then move the decimal. I have only 1 digit, so I need to get 2 zeros. It will be 7,500 milliliter. Again, if I don't need to convert the mixed number to a decimal number, I need to save this. 1 liter had 1000 milliliter, and 1/2 liter has 500 milliliter, and 1/4 liter have 250 milliliter. 3/4 have 750 milliliter. If I need to get 1/2 liter equal how milliliter? 1/2, like this. 1/2 liter as space milliliter. We will convert the first one and the second one. 1/2 mean 500, and 1 liter has 1000. 1000 plus 1 plus 500, it will be 1500 milliliter. It's very simple. Just convert like half, 500, quarter, 250. Okay? Thank you.